Hello, my name is Anette Romero, and in this afternoon I will tell you our recipe which is a day cookies. The ingredient is very simple. It's a half stick of butter, just one. You set at room temperature. 1 can la lechera condensada milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, 1 piece the eggs, 2 cups of white flour, and 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 cups pitted dates, finely chopped. Well, in this case the instruction is in the shake oven a preheated to 118 Celsius with the butter until creamy. Add the la lechera condensada milk, the vanilla and the eggs. Gradually add the flour, baking powder and dates, and set ice it to form with the help of a spoon form the cookings and try with waxed paper, leaving separation between each one. Refrigerate 20 minutes. The bake for 50 minutes or until the edges are golden. Remove from the oven, let cool and often. The culinary tip is you want you can change the dates by mixing walnut, blueberries, almonds and raisins. So this is the tip. And the nutritional tip, dates can provide potassium to your diet. The consumption of potassium is essential since it is involved in the moment of the intense time. And the other tip of the day cookies is you can substitute the date for a crystallized fix. So this is very easy. Thank you for listening me. And I hope you like the recipe and enjoy it. It's very delicious. Bye. See you.